What's up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. In today's video we're going to be making a knife out of a grade 8 bolt. Why? Because I felt like it and I want to see if I can make a knife out of this, because I did a little bit of research and they're supposed to be mid carbon steel, supposed to have a little bit more carbon in it to be able to hold heavier loads and heavier PSI. So I want to see if it can hold an edge or not once it's sharpened, once it's hardened and sharpened. So let's throw this bad boy in the fire and see what we can make. I tried to follow the same lines that the bolt has, you know, the 6 lines. I pressed them all just to keep that flow going, and I twisted it. Now I'm gonna squeeze it a little bit to try to get more length in it, because even though I like it like that, the bolt isn't long enough to be able to get a good grip. So I'm gonna extend it some more, flatten it out, and then take the threaded part and make that into the blade. But first thing I gotta do is make sure I have enough length for a handle so I can actually hold it. Not quite long enough yet. My phone decided to overheat, so I lost the video in which I was forging out the actual blade, but I'm not done forging, so we can see that. Our knife, rough forged. It's a little goofy looking, but that's what I was going for. Goofy.
it up. Heat treat seems pretty successful. Skates. A little bit. Skates. I don't know how much I can trust this file, but it skates. And I'm gonna just temper it back down a little bit with the torch, not too much, just a quick straw color temper. Gonna heat up the spine and let it crawl. That was a lot quicker than I thought. Definitely not straw. Oh well, good enough for me. It's been tempered back some now. Alright guys, so this little knife is done. It came out kind of cool actually. A little goofy looking, but kind of cool actually. I like it. I'm gonna keep it. Unless somebody wants to buy it, then I'll sell it obviously, but other than that, I'll probably just keep it for myself. It's a cool little experiment. It's kind of hard cutting with such a tiny blade. Such a big, heavy knife. I was cutting so well a minute ago before I turned the camera on. No, it's not wanting to cut. What? Come on, buddy, you can do it. I mean, it cuts. Cuts paper. Come on, don't let me down, buddy. Alright guys, it was an interesting little build. It surprisingly came out okay looking. A little goofy. I'm gonna add this to my collection of goofy things I make. It's pretty cool. I like it. Just gonna hold this bad boy up and put it somewhere and forget about it probably. But I mean, overall, we'll get back to it in the future, see how well of an edge it holds over time. But these bolts are supposed to be mid carbon, I think, if I'm not mistaken. I did a little bit of research because I wanted to see if I can make an actual knife out of it. Thinking I should have probably gotten a bigger bolt, but I already had this and I started with it, so we worked with what we got. Overall, came out nice looking. It was a fun build. This is the kind of builds I like to do, just fun random stuff. But I also build knives for kitchens and, you know, hunting and other uses as well. But overall, it was a great experience, lots of learning, and it was fun. If you haven't already liked the video, be sure to like the video. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe. It really helps out a lot, and it helps reach our goals here at the shop. And share this video with a friend if you liked it. That way we can get this ball rolling and keep providing great content. As always guys, thank you very much. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one. Out.